Welcome to our trading analysis. We are looking at the Euro-US dollar chart. We are at an uptrend for some time now, and we will be looking for long setups from any retracement. So if we get any setups between this level and this level, we will be looking to enter long, and we will also monitor if the price gives an end of trend indication when it approaches the high level here with MACD divergence. So at this time we will prefer long entries below this level. A possible setup could be a reversal bar out of this inside bar. So we have an inside bar pattern here. If the price drops below here and then reverses back, that would give us a reversal setup for going long. So we'll see how that goes during the week. On the Australian dollar, the price bounced from this level with a very long pin bar. So this is a strong support level. We will still be looking for long setups around this level for going long, since the trend remains upwards. The British pound, US dollar, again we have an uptrend. We will be looking for long setups around this level, and also we'll monitor for potential trend reversals around this resistance level here, since we start getting MACD divergences. So we'll also be looking for potential short entries at the high of the bars here. The US dollar Japanese yen, we are at a downtrend which seems to approaching at an end here, because we're getting a MACD divergence and the price is failing to make new highs, new lows. So we will be looking for potential long entries around this level, and also for short entries if we get a setup above this level from anywhere closer to here. We would prefer to get a setup closer to here for going short, since we have a strong resistance down here, and going short at this point wouldn't give us a very good risk-reward ratio. So we'll be mainly looking for long entries with the price bouncing from this level. Looking at the British pound Japanese yen, the trend is slightly upwards with a sideways move. We are at a trending zone without a strong trend at the moment, and we can see that the price bounced strongly with a very long pin bar from this strong resistance level, and now it approached the level here and seems like bouncing from that level as well. So we will be looking for short setups around the high of this bar, the upper side of the trending zone, and for long setups again around this resistance level. At the New Zealand dollar, again we had a very long pin bar bouncing from this strong support level, and we will be looking for potential end of trend indication and trend reversals at the high up here. So if the price makes a new high with MACD failing to make a new high, we will be looking for potential short setups and also for long setups again at this support level. We have an inside bar pattern here formed with a pin bar and the inside bars, but it's a huge bar and our stop would be really far away, so the risk-reward ratio wouldn't be good enough. We would rather try to go long close to the bar with protective stop below the level for a better risk-reward ratio. On gold, the prevailing trend remains downwards, but we start having a sideways move, so we need to be careful here. we will be looking for short setups around this resistance level here. As we see, this is a rather strong level, so the price could bounce from here and continue moving lower, or we could look for potential long entries around the previous low. If the price retraces back here below this level, down to this level, we would also consider long entries. On the crude oil, as we discussed in our previous newsletter, the price found a strong resistance up here. This is a very strong resistance level, and it retraced back, giving some opportunities for a long entries around this level. And now we will still be looking for short entries if we get a MACD divergence and short setups again around this resistance level, and also long entries around this level. And this we can also check on lower time frames. So if we can go to a 4-hour time frame, we can also be looking here for potential long entries around this level. On the S&P, we keep getting signs of the trend approaching a pause. So the uptrend is reaching an up limit here with some resistance, with MACD divergences. So we will be looking for some cautious short entries around this resistance level if we get proper setups and divergences. And also we'll still consider long entries below this level. Anywhere from here down to here, we would keep considering long entries since the main trend remains upwards for now. Similar with Nasdaq, we have an end of trend indication up here with a MACD divergence. We got an inside bar pattern, so it's possible if the price breaks below the low of the bar to retrace back here or even lower. So this could be a potential counter trend trade. These are risky trades, playing the inside bar pattern here, relying on the MACD divergence for a potential trend reversal. And also we'll be looking for long entries below this level and down here as well. The Australian index, we are on an uptrend approaching potential pause, but we will still be looking for long entries anywhere around the previous support level. So anywhere around here, we could be looking for entering long, and we will be very careful and monitor how the price behaves. If it crosses above the previous high with a MACD divergence, we will be looking for potential short entries in case the price gives us some signs of end of trend. On the DAX, as we discussed in the last newsletter, we had the pin bar end of trend trade here. For the ones who took that, we had a nice fast move with a very nice profit. It was at least a 3 times profit, our risk. And the price found again resistance at this level and bounced back up. So right now we'll still be looking for end of trend trades around this resistance level for potential short entries, and also long entries around this support level. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this, and have a very nice week and very nice holidays. Bye bye.